My name's Janet Maleski. I'm from North Wales, Pennsylvania. And I have twin girls, Peyton and Catherine, who are 2 years old, and a baby Reagan, who's 5 months old. I found out about RMA specifically from a neighbor who had been going to Dr. Castlebaum. But at the time, I had already started fertility with another institution. And it wasn't terrible, it just wasn't, it felt like just doctor's appointments, and I felt like I always had to ask about certain information, and my neighbor recommended, Dr. Castlebaum, so I came here, and it just felt good. The nurses from the time I got here, went over everything, and not only did they ask me if I had questions, they anticipated my questions. I felt like they covered things like, okay, this is what you're going to be doing, and here's how you lay out your meds, and here's some easy ways to think about it, and for doing your shots, here's some tips for doing that, and I just felt like they just made me more comfortable. So I was a little reserved about, worried about, are they really monitoring everything right, or, are they checking this level or that level, because you do get consumed with it, because you're emotional and you're stressed. I mean, we were trying for 3 years on our own first, so you really are just so overwhelmed and stressed about it. Very detail oriented, not only with the use of the medications, what to expect as far as feelings from the medications and side effects, but even the front office, from doing your insurance paperwork, figure out what was covered and what wasn't covered. We had coverage for a part of it for the first 3 tries. We had done it 5 times, so we only had coverage for 3. But each time, with each cycle, it was like a new start, and they would go over everything again, what was covered, what's not, what medications you're going to need, how much you're going to need, where you can get it, where are the best places to try. I mean, they really gave me all the information in an envelope, in a folder that I needed. So it was really, really, really nice. Everybody that I have friends who open up about their fertility issues, because I have no problem telling them that we had problems. I always recommend here, and it's funny, a lot of them have tried other places and seem to be not unhappy with the other places, just like they're just kind of going through the process and how medical it is, levels and this and retrievals and transfers, and I tell them to come here because it feels like they're really in it with you. It's not like you're a number there. You're a success story, or their statistics. They're really in it for you. Even the nurses, when you come in for the blood work, I tell them in the morning, they know your name, they ask how you're doing, they know it's your day that you're having your retrieval or your transfer, they say good luck. I tell them that if you want to feel comfortable, and all the stress that goes with fertility, I tell them to come here because they help really alleviate that.